are here to present our innovative project, rainwater detection and automatic cloth retrieval machine and automatic grid. My name is Siddharth from 7th standard.
My name is Hasib from 7th standard. Manually retrieving clothes from clotheslines or during racks during rain, resulting in manual gate operation, which can be time consuming and convenient. This problem can solved by using our innovative project.
The main objectives of the system are efficient cloth retrieval,